Happy Monday, everyone. Welcome to this week's vlog. I am about to head down to Cornelli for some pizza. I'm meeting Morgan there. It is so warm today in Seattle and hopefully for the rest of the week. So this is my outfit of the day. It feels like summer, but I'm wearing this new teal striped top. I love like the little neckline of it. I have my Aritzia Idolized tote bag. I'm gonna wear my Gentle Monster sunnies, and then I pair the look with my pink linen J. Crew skirt and my Adidas Taekwondo sneakers. So this is my outfit of the night. I'm gonna go and see you all at pizza. I am home for the evening and I just wanted to quickly show you my outfit before I change into comfy clothes. We had such a productive morning. We went to the new beauty school that I'm going to, which I'm so excited about. I start in October. Maybe I'll do a little bit of like a chat and debrief about it with you all later, but I'm just really excited. We went to the car wash. I literally never get my car washed, so that was fun. My sister and I were both craving Subway, so we had that for lunch, and then we watched the new K-pop Demon Hunters movie on Netflix, and it was actually so cute. But I just dropped her off back at home. We're gonna just separate until we have class later, and I really just want to lie down and be in comfy clothes. But before I change, I wanted to show you my outfit. This is my Lisa Says Go rat tee. I think this will honestly like forever be one of my favorite tees. I just think the rat is so cute, and also I am a rat in the Chinese zodiac, so I don't know, it just feels very me. I'm wearing my Aritzia large Idolized tote bag, and I have my little Galoni bear on with the little star. I think he's so cute. And then I just paired my t-shirt with this Mod Ref skirt. It's just this pretty blue color. I love it so much. And I just wore some socks with my little Doc Martens sandals. So I'm gonna go make some tea, get in bed, and just rest up. For those of you who are new to my channel, or just for a life update, in this past March, I ended up leaving my corporate job. I had been working as an account manager for the last 3.5 years, and it was time for me to go, and I told myself that I was just going to take some time off to figure out what I wanted my next steps to be. I wasn't really sure. I had no idea like when I left, and I really just like had no like goal or vision for myself. I just knew I needed the time to rest. But in the last few months, I've been doing a lot of thinking. I think the time has been really good for me because I've been able to just, you know, work through a lot of the grief that I had been kind of putting off. And while it's been hard and definitely challenging, I'm really proud of myself, honestly, and it feels good. But about a month ago, I kind of landed somewhere finally, and I decided that I wanted to go to beauty school, and I'm going to be getting my esthetician license in October. But I'm really excited. Visiting the beauty school this morning, it just made me feel so inspired and validated in that I'm making the right decision. I think just like after I thought about it really long and hard, like I went down very like a lot of different avenues. Like I was like, I could start a business, I could, you know, go back to corporate, do something similar to what I was doing, and at the end of the day, it really just came down to I knew that corporate wasn't where I meant to be. So this just felt like the next logical step. I wanted to do something that I feel passionate and excited about. Skincare has always been something that I loved and enjoyed, and it's truly like one of my favorite parts of my day. So I'm very excited. So starting in the fall, I will be attending beauty college. I am so excited. I cannot wait for the journey. I can't wait to see where it takes me, and it just feels good to have kind of given myself a direction in where I want to go. There's still a lot of unknowns. I'm still a little bit uncertain, but I feel really good about this decision, and I'm excited to see where it'll take me. I also just think that like right now at this point in my life, it's the right level of commitment that I'm looking for, and it just, everything feels right and it feels like it's falling into place. One of the things that my dad used to always tell me was that everything happens for a reason and good things come to those who wait. So I feel like this is one of those scenarios where I can hear him telling me and rooting for me and cheering me on and just telling me that this is the right thing to do. And I think he'd be very proud of me for taking these next steps, for taking care of myself, and he's probably just as excited for whatever's to come next as well. So that was enough of my rant. A big exciting life update, but for now we just get to enjoy summer, and for this right now moment we just get to enjoy this tea. This morning I am headed to Solid Core. I'm so excited to see her. We have some trip planning to do, and I really just want to catch up and have a good night. So this is my outfit of the night. I'm wearing this tan top. This is from the brand Brave. I love the little tie details. I'm carrying my navy Mark Sherwood bag with my little charm, and then I just have on my skinny belt from Aritzia and these jeans. These are my Lucky Marche ones. I've been wearing them a lot, and I just have my Prada loafers on, and because I don't think I am gonna need a jacket, I'm gonna wear my favorite faux leather one from Atelier 9. So this is my outfit of the night. I'm gonna head out and I'll see you all at pizza. I just came back from a walk with my sister. We did a loop around Green Lake and was honestly so nice and refreshing, and a really good way to start the day. But I'm about to have some lunch. Today I have some kimbap, I have some Rainier cherries, and also some popcorn. And then I'm also drinking this Brew Dr. Kombucha. This is the lemon ginger flavor. It's pretty good, but I think the plan for the rest of the day is just to take it easy, maybe take a little bit of a nap. I need to pack because tomorrow we're actually heading to Lopez Island for the weekend with my family, so that'll be really nice and relaxing. And then tonight, Luke and I are actually going to the Bibi concert. So it's gonna be a fun next few days. I'm very excited. But yeah, I'll take you all along with me, but for now I am so starving, so I'm going to dig into this lunch. We are about to head down to the concert, but we're gonna grab dinner before at the bar. It's so gloomy out and was just dumping rain, so pho sounds really, really good right now. This is my outfit of the night. I feel like I always struggle to come up with outfits anytime I go to a concert. I don't know why. It's just a thing. But if any of you can relate, let me know. Maybe it's just me. But this is my outfit of the night. I have on my leather jacket. This is from Tudemont. I'm carrying my little white bag. And then I just have on my Geel top, and it just has like a little tie, and then it's like a V. I'm wearing my little skinny Aritzia belt, and then my Jaded London jeans, and I just have on these Adidas sneakers. So this is my outfit of the night. I'm gonna head out, and I'll try to take some videos at the concert.
Like what? It's just more advanced.
Imagine you.
I feel like there was a big protest.
We made it to Lopez Island. This morning we went to get some lunch at Vita's. It was very yummy. Picked up some groceries. Now I'm trying this kombucha and we're gonna go on a little walk. This morning we are having breakfast at home. We're making the Trader Joe's ube pancakes, some eggs, some bacon, and then we are gonna get ready and go to the farmer's market. Making an orange olive oil cake for my mom's birthday. Happy birthday to you.
We are now arriving at our destination.